everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can download and install the official Riot client on any of our Windows PC. So let's get right into it. Open up any of the browsers available on your device for that, and once you open up your device, you can go over to riotgames.com. So type in riotgames.com and hit enter, and you should be taken to the official site. You need to always download from the official site only. Now, once you are here, you may sign in if you're not signed in. For that, look at the sign in option at the top and select it. And you can use your credentials in order to sign in into your account. Now, once you're inside the site, you can scroll down. And once you scroll down, you need to download one of the games from the Riot games available. So for that, you can look out for the one that you would like to download. For example, League of Legends. So this one right here. So you can click on the game, and once you click on the game, here you'll be finding option for play for free. And you may just go over and look out for the download option instead. You can just go over and do so. For that, what you need to do is select this option for play for free. And select this option. You may create one account or sign in into your account. So you can select any of the option. I'm just going to sign in using my account. And for that, you may just go ahead and verify yourself. And after you verify yourself, you just need to select this option. If you're on Mac, you can select this Mac installer. But if you're on Windows, select this option of Windows installer. And click on it. After you click on it, the exe file should be starting to download. You just need to wait for some seconds, and once the Windows asks for permission, you can just hit yes, and the installer will download it. You can just go over and open up the file location, and you will be seeing the game you want. You can just go over and install the particular game that you would like to download on your device, and keep the Riot client open. You can wait until it reaches the 100%. And once done, you can click on play and start playing the game. And that's how we download and install the Riot client on Windows. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.